Hello everyone, today we're going to be filming a full video walkthrough for our Creative Computing Year 3 Tomorrow's Web 100% assessment. Here we've been tasked to make a full stack website. I've made a website for a zoo using Vue.js as the framework, so it made it to be easier, and also using Tailwind CSS. Here we can see in the beginning the header for the nav bar with all our nav sections. Here's our hero section with the main title and the subtext, plus the two buttons with interactive to connects to our other pages. We have another section with a hover effect with a nice connective UI, and we have a featured animal section that showcases 3 animal images with details. And we use an API to pull the images for each of these cards. We have a button that connects to the animals page. We have a tickets portion that will show us to plan your visit with timings and admissions showcased as info, and a button to take you to the tickets page, and activities and events features showcasing our top activities that you can do, and a button to take you to the activities page. And lastly, our footer section that will showcase some small detailed info and also some quick links to take you directly to each of the pages. Now, if we go to our first creatures page, we can see we have a lot of creatures, mainly 30 plus creatures with our top. Here you can click on a specific image and it'll take you up and show you an expanded version with more details about the animal. It's in a grid system, very interactable, and you have a filtering system that you can use to filter out a specific type of animal you want. Here they've been labeled with mammals, or as reptiles, or as birds, and you can pick and choose as you wish. Now, if you go on to the activities page, more of a visual form, here again a grid system to showcase our top activities. It's been sectioned off as our daily activities, showcasing everything that happens on a day-to-day basis, such as animal feeding, petting zoos, aquarium tours, and it's also given with their timings and their location of where they are. Below that we have our special events, which are limited time events showcase with our book now and more details on how you can access them. Then an interactive experiences section showcasing some other more events that may happen throughout the day. Then an educational program section for any kids that may want to come to the zoo. Here we have a schedule list that showcases all the timings of what may happen throughout the day, such as the opening of the zoo, the feedings of the animals, certain tours and experiences that may occur, and finally also the last closing time of the zoo, and we lead on to footer. Here we have our tickets page, but the tickets page will not function fully until you've properly signed in. So now let's sign up as a person here. Let's go, we'll give a John Jones as our name, and we'll give her John at gmail.com with a fake number. Her number and a good password to give. And once we create our account, oh, we have an account that already exists. Let's change the name up a bit here for something along the lines of Ben, and we'll change our email. Ben, now it should work. And there, we've created an account successfully. And also you'll notice that your name will appear on the nav bar now, as you can see. Now, if we go on to our tickets page, and let's say we pick out something like general admissions, you have 3 choices you can pick from, and it'll also show you any additional costs that may occur. And once you select, it takes you to a page for selection of all the details to include for purchasing your ticket, such as the date you want to go on. Let's pick a date. The amount of people, let's give 2 adults and 2 children. Your name again, so give Ben. Say an email address, ben email.com, and a phone number again. Any special requests? Let's say we need a umbrella as a special request, and we can proceed to our payment. There, it has been successfully confirmed, our payment, and we are done. Now, if you scroll down, you can also see a My Bookings page. This is part of our CRUD. So this will record any and all bookings that you may have. So if you want to book more, you can book and it'll appear here. And here you can see you can edit all of your content. Now, if we check our backend here and our users section, we will see that it will have updated the user to include our user, that is Ben Jones, his email and the phone number, and also on and so forth. So when you check the tickets page, we can see that our ticket has been purchased with 2 adults for a total price of 80 and the special request of an umbrella. It's been confirmed. Now, if we can go here, we can edit our ticket, let's say to include an extra adult, and we need 3 umbrellas. And we proceed to our payment. It's been updated now. So now if we look at our backend again, we can see that in our ticket, it should update in any moment. Let's see. Let's give it a moment. Some of these take a while. There, now it has been updated to show that you have 3 adults, and the request has been updated to have 3 umbrellas. So now, if we say we don't need the ticket anymore, we can now cancel, and it's been canceled. Now, if we check our tickets again, it should, let's see, let's reload again, and we'll see it should have deleted the data of ticket from a list. There we go. It's no longer there because it's been deleted. So that is the CRUD system where you can create a ticket. It'll read the ticket's info to be in the backend, and you can update the ticket when you need to and also delete it. That is the final CRUD. So thank you. That has been a full walkthrough for our full stack website for Creative Computing Year 3, Tomorrow's Web 100% Assessment. Thank you for watching.